Craving for a Caribbean style breakfast? Yes. Check out this one, pillow soft fried dumpling, and this one have a twist, so continue watching. So welcome back to the channel, guys. As you see, we're making some fried dumpling, some callaloo and saltfish, and this is a perfect Caribbean style breakfast. So we're jumping straight into it. And in this bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm adding a tablespoon of baking powder. Here I have some white sugar and salt. And I'm just adding that to it. And in this container, I have some coconut milk. I'm going to mix all these dried ingredients together. And then we're just going to add our coconut milk. Mix to form a nice fluffy dough. Then we're just going to cover this for a couple of minutes, allow it to rest while we work on the rest of ingredients. So welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Yes, we're getting there. So as I mentioned earlier, this fried dumpling have a twist, and the twist is a coconut milk. So these will be pillow soft and fluffy. So continue watching, guys. To make the callaloo, we have some carrot, garlic, onion, thyme, and this is all prepped. And this is my frozen callaloo that I already cleaned, sliced. And here I'm going to heat up some oil and add my veggies that I prepped. Then we're going to add our callaloo, stir and allow that to defrost in the pot. Please, a note, when you're preparing frozen callaloo, don't allow it to defrost before adding it to the pot. In that way, the color will change, okay? So in order to keep the color bright green, do it as I mentioned, frozen in the pot, and allow it to defrost in the pot. So here I have my saltfish already soaked. So I'm going to break this in small pieces so I can add it to my callaloo. So continue watching, guys. And here are my pillowy soft coconut fried dumplings, soft and tasty, guys. Yes, look how soft they are. And this was a perfect breakfast. Callaloo and saltfish with fried dumpling and fried plantain. Yes. So please watch the video to the end. Drop me a comment, like the video, share, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe, turn your notification bell on. In that way you'll never miss another upload. So thanks again for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.